everybody should ratchet the pressure. I was disappointed to see that some of the so-called crypto exchanges, not all of them, but some of them are refusing to end transactions with Russia, you know, from some, I don't know, philosophy of libertarianism or whatever. Everybody, and if there has to be legal or regulatory pressure, everybody should do as much as possible to isolate Russian economic activity right now. That pressure will absolutely impact Putin.
Former U.S. presidential candidate Hillary Clinton is out for cryptocurrency exchanges for failing to ban Russian users from their platforms. Though the former Secretary of State is currently raging against crypto exchanges, she seems to be after the crypto ecosystem as a whole. In a recent interview with MSNBC, Clinton declares that cryptocurrency facilitates illegal activities, is used by bad people, and remains unregulated. We have a lot to discuss in this video, so ensure you watch it to the end and smash the like button. Enjoy.
Well, I think they're starting to take seriously the need to figure out the market and to provide guardrails, as you definitely should with any kind of large financial market like this has become. I think in the specific case of Ukraine, I do think that the Treasury Department, I think the Europeans should look hard at how they can prevent the crypto markets from giving an escape hatch to Russia, both governmental and private transactions in and out of Russia. And I would hope they would do that, because it's so ironic, Rachel, because for people who live to make money, if they're making it legally, if they're not just a device or an excuse for money laundering, they should not want this invasion by Russia to stand. They should figure out that, we don't need to be descending into some kind of global conflict where dictators can decide that they're going to try to take over countries just because they wake up one morning, no provocation at all. So it's really in the interest of everyone who wants to do legitimate business to try to end this conflict as quickly as possible. And one of the two pillars that we can rely on right now is the economic pillar. So I would hope somebody at the Treasury Department is trying to figure out how they're going to rein in the leaky valves in the crypto market that might allow Russia to escape the full weight of the sanctions.
Hillary Clinton seems to be on a roll here about cryptocurrency. However, in her bid to criticize the exchanges that have not rolled out the ban, she seems to be painting a terrible picture about crypto. Let's begin with the ban against Russia itself. Since the sanctions were announced, many major cryptocurrency exchanges have issued a statement on why they are yet to ban Russian users. Kraken CEO Jesse Powell issued a series of tweets a few days ago stipulating that the platform can't ban Russians without legal requirements to do so. Powell also stated that the platform's mission is to bridge individual humans out of the legacy financial system and bring them into the world of crypto, where arbitrary lines on maps no longer matter, where they don't have to worry about being caught in broad, indiscriminate wealth confiscation. In a final tweet, he added, "Besides, if we were going to voluntarily freeze financial accounts of residents of countries unjustly attacking and provoking violence around the world, step one would be to freeze all U.S. accounts. As a practical matter, that's not really a viable business option for us." Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, has also stated that the exchange is waiting for the U.S. government to issue regulations to the effect if it is to ban its Russian users. "If the U.S. government decides to impose a ban, we will, of course, follow those laws," Armstrong stated in a tweet. Like Powell, Armstrong explained the importance of not keeping innocent Russian users from accessing basic financial services unless it becomes absolutely necessary. "We are not preemptively banning all Russians from using Coinbase. We believe everyone deserves access to basic financial services unless the law says otherwise," he stated, adding that many ordinary Russians are using cryptocurrencies as a lifeline now that their currency has collapsed. Earlier in the week, a Binance spokesperson issued a similar statement. Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase have given genuine reasons for not taking Russian users off their platforms. Plus, they are not saying they will not. They are only asking the United States government to impose regulations before they can make such a drastic move. It is also very important that Hillary Clinton and those who have similar opinions realize that millions of innocent citizens will be caught in the backlash. They already have to deal with an egomaniac leader, a full-blown war, and a gradually collapsing fiat currency. Moreover, if we are launching a full-blown attack on crypto because of Ukraine, we must not forget that the country has benefited extremely from crypto donations over the past week. As of March 3, 2022, Ukraine has received over $50 million in crypto donations. According to blockchain analytics platform Elliptic, the European country has raised $50.9 million through over 89,000 donations. The Ukrainian government and an NGO providing support to the military have raised $50.9 million through more than 89,000 crypto asset donations since the start of the Russian invasion, Elliptic wrote in a blog post. The crowdfunding efforts, which started on February 26, included Bitcoin and Ethereum donations, first before wallet addresses for Polkadot and Dogecoin were added. In its blog post, Elliptic also reported the number of crypto donations from Come Back Alive, a non-governmental organization helping the Ukrainian armed forces. The NGO has received millions of dollars in crypto donations according to the platform. Ukraine DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization set up in aid of Ukraine, has also sold an NFT of the Ukrainian flag in an auction. The NFT was auctioned for $6.5 million, which will be donated to the NGO. The crypto donations to Ukraine will continue, as will other crypto-related initiatives to help the country raise money for the war. So before we put a final nail on the coffin of the crypto space, we have to remember that it has been of utmost importance to the fight against Ukraine's war efforts. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to drop your comments in the comment section below. If you are yet to do so, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.